Hello guys, welcome to another class. Today's English lesson it's going to be about grammar. We are going to be checking on the verb to be using I, you, and we. Alright, so let's start. Alright, the verb to be. What is the usage or, what's the meaning? So the verb to be is a verb used to describe something or someone, right? However, the most common use of the verb to be is to talk about names, ages, feeling, nationalities, and professions. So we are going to start today learning from the very basic part, okay? That is going to be about names and ages, okay? How to use it with those, okay, guys? Great, so let's start. Good, so we have verb to be affirmative, okay? We have I, you, and we, okay? So the verb to be is going to get together, right? With I, it's going to be I am, all right? Or we can say it in a contracted way, I'm. I am or I'm. Actually, most of the people in America or in other countries where they speak English, they actually don't use I am too much. They use I'm. So it would be like, it will sound more natural if you say I'm, okay? You also have you are, you and are. In this case, you is the subject and are the verb to be, okay? So you are, you can also say it in a contracted way, your. We have we are or we're, okay? Those are the ways to use it in an affirmative way. Let's see on the negative part. We can also say it negative sentences or use it in negative sentences by adding not, okay? I am not or I'm not, okay? You also have you're not or you're not. And we are not or we're not. It's just a simple thing that you have to add the word not after the verb to be, okay? In each sentence that you want to create. You also have questions. We can also use it with questions. And this is really easy to remember because you only change positions. If you remember, was after the subject, but now, as you can see here, we switch it over, right? Am I? Are you? Are we? This is for questions, okay? This is how we are going to start a question, all right? And we have some examples, really easy examples. We have, I'm Carla. You're my friend. We're 16 years old. Okay, these are affirmative, as you can see. And we have negative examples. For example, I'm not 20 years old. You are not Christine. We're not in the same class. Okay? So, the same thing. It's really easy. Remember. I am not. Negative, right? If I just remove not, I'm 20 years old. It means that you have, right? That you are actually 20 years old. That's your actual age right now. Another thing that I wanted to tell you about, guys, whenever you talk about the age, remember, it's not correct to say, I have 20 years old, for example. The best way and the actual way to do it, or to say it, will be, I am or I'm, okay? You're, right? You're 20 years old. Or we're 20 years old, right? I'm 20 years old, right? So keep that in mind. You can take notes of that and keep that in mind, right? So you don't forget it. Good. And let's see the questions example, okay? the same thing. We switch it over to am I 30 years old? Are you a student? Are we best friends? Those are the questions, okay? Keep that in mind. Are comes at the beginning. Am comes at the beginning, okay, of the sentence. So that's a question. Very good. It is really easy, right? Very, very easy. And we also have questions where we can get more information, right? And we use what? What to ask for more information. For example, we can ask, what is your email address? Or we can say, what's your phone number? Right? Remember the intonation when you say sentences, we can say, right, like, it has to sound like you go up, right? What's your phone number? What is your email address? Okay, keep that in mind also. And I have some examples as well for you. We have, what's your name? My name is Kathy. My name's Kathy. You can say my name is, or remember, my name's Kathy. Remember that it sounds more natural if you say my name's Kathy, okay? Or my name's Carlos, or my name's Lupita, right? Whatever your name is. And we have, what's your email address? And you can answer. This is the answer, all right? The answer. It's Carlitos _ what's the name of this symbol? Underscore, right? Underscore. Carlitos _ Pokemon Go, and this one at email.com, okay? One more time. Carlitos _ Pokemon Go at email.com. Good. So that's the information that you have to remember for this topic, guys. It's really easy, right? And this is basic for you to communicate with other people. Okay, guys, so thank you for joining today's class. Thank you for watching this video. If you have questions, remember to send me an email. I'll be glad to answer any of your questions, okay? Thank you, guys. See you soon. Bye-bye.